Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Arngut ki nong peniksa na jela Megalaya kin Ïashim shaga Nagaland Bodybuilding and Fitness Championship kabala penlong daga National Physique Committee. Kani gijing Yakob kanlong haka arfu artarik uyayong arjar arfulai hapo ka Holy Cross Auditorium Dimapur. Kani gede gasin ka baar baga Nagaland Physique Alliance hapo ka lama jong ka NPC kala penlong yakum kani gijing Yakob. Laruban kedau bahagani ka kenti kan donru kan Nagaland Powerlifting Raw Championship ya kabala itu habaro ka waigari kumju haka pertei. Kajing Yakob kadon yaki category jong ka squat, bench press but deadlift. But kan donru ka junior men's bodybuilding but ka men's physique na benta kiba arpulais nem karta but hapo. Lamang palat silak tingka ka khusnam bat kiway ki price na menta ki nong job khnang ban penslur ye ki nong Ïashim menta. Ki nong Ïashim menta na ka jela Megalaya ki dei ka kong Suzy basan bat ukaran. Ki Arngut ki balapan kreb ha na menta ka ni ka jing Yakob.
Kani banlit menta mga ka arpo arterik kadai kanlong ka competition kadai jong ka bodybuilding hi hendai nga bade nga nile jong ka women's physique te nong no ngala prepare kat bangala hado menta te stang khendiat sngi ngan lit compete thi tai ke ka jinjar hi na marway kan the na po Megalaya represent ka state bangan ni lakai ti kwa ban kan yo support na bro ki public na ki especially na ka government ro ken la kan don jing school tholam bala late competition bakan yarap ingi mo kum ki nong lakai Hoy hang ni hajala jungi te kamlong popular Andre namar mundan ba ki nong kumno kakham jinjar ban le namar kadai tang shong ban hab lift weights kin take kim kustanat kim kwa bandan ksa kim kwa bandan umta ken commission rang kim kwa ban yo kamet commission rang Andre nga bade kadai ka passion jonga namar nga stanat ban la kai tinga I take it as a challenge also yela de bang ala bangan le ti nga kwa ken ban ken tiwi ken the bon ken the ang yer gi kwa ban le andre kim la pa de ne da fi le nga tharai phiru philai ka de tang da phap long dedicated phap long motivated yela de ban yo ka to ka motivation ba fin le nga tharai phiru fin ken the manu ru la ban kilakin benle. First thing motivate yang ate ano ngai fi iperlok jonga ting I karan. Ide mi I motivate yang ba pila benle pidan kamet kababiang te pila ben pili ben long dedicated lada fi long dedicated pila benle te tengarung astanat pan left weight se te nang tu ski ngiat I training yang tingi ya train lang te tai ka journey kalaya nya do ara jar khanyo ter do menta ku menta ki kan thai bro kha long kidan ki bade ki housewife ki ki bale ki ba puli especially kum ta ke kum manga de kum ban ong la de housewife ngaru but the thing is that ngaklem ke banga stunat bangan le long apply por dan ki briu ki kan thai jungi bre ting ki yo por ban le andre kim kwa ban le ting ki make excuses ka ni ka tai kim la ban le andre mo ban ong ibon ki kan thai ba la da fi de housewife ne fi train ne fi puli ne at least fi de ban take out time at least 45 minutes or 1 hour yela day she met mapinyo kata kamet bakwat bakya ke bo file whatever you have to do kata kam day tang bo ong ba file bodybuilding ne bo file any kind of activity fi de ban le ka jing im jung pi khnang ba hadin habot pinyo kamet ka bakwat bakya.
See, as a player, you can only put your effort. Alright, so like as all players do, we are putting our effort. Me and Susie, we both are putting our effort. Plus, the only disadvantage that we have is that we are in advancing age. Like in sports field, if you have crossed 35, you are in an advancing stage. So she is 40 plus, I am 40 plus. So it is difficult. Plus, there has been a layoff. You know that we had a COVID break and all those things. So during COVID, we couldn't train properly. So we had a layoff of 3-4 years, I guess. So during which we were not training. So it becomes difficult to recover as your age advances. So we have tried our level best. The competition level, since it is a NPC, like National Physique Committee competition, which is an organizing body from US. So NPC is like you have regional qualifications for a main event which will happen in Delhi. It's called Sheru Classic, quite famous. So it's like pan-India in the sense that anybody across India can come and play it. So we don't know what kind of competition will be there. We are just preparing and hoping for the best. Yeah, after the pandemic, it took time because all the protocols and everything was there. So it was difficult, but then yeah, we have been training.
Hoy, kalak ta do bro. Namar bale bangim yo ban training bangim yo ban compete sa barong imla ban le long ki bun ki jing bangim la bangin mi na po na rila jong ban le shaweru. Takadaw long ihap sange lut baro kha hindai, but I didn't give up training but again na train bet man lakas ngi hayeng tanga ngamju give up ken hado menta. try hadin lice nem like after 3 years ngan yang biang hapo stage menta te namar belay ba nga eye gap no namar ba nga shisnem nga klemyo ban prepare la dia namar ba nga layo nom nong layo kamang ni po gold gym as a trainer te ka along te duo yang bangan focus ha ka training ila din bangan compete biang ting eye gap no shisnem ila din ngong tongan focus shwa ka kam then anyway perlong ay nga believe him le biang tingong to I'll just give a try again this time tingong ngan le biang ken tingong to whatever it is ngan yang biang stage menta pe kanu ko competition da fi bepilay kan long be fin so ban long nong kum no it'll be challenging for you only with other competitors like Akidon but Firu. The thing is that long ngarung along siir mentaban le nya din lice nem ngan le kai biang the nong kum no doni taijing siir but the main event kani bakan long menta kadai ba ngi hap qualify dangi job ya kani ngila bangin le final hapo kani hapo Delhi kan long ho banai June kani ka Asia largest game hapo India kan long haka hapo Delhi ho banai June hakan ru kan yu ka pratering te larang ngila qualify nang ni temur ngila la bani represent ya ka state hapo Delhi ru.
Like since it's being organized in Dimapur, so definitely people from Nagaland, Assam, all the northeastern states primarily will be there. Apart from that, there will be people from maybe Orissa, West Bengal, nearby states. So the bodybuilding culture, as compared to Meghalaya, in other states like Assam, for instance, which is our neighbor, it's quite advanced. Like they are quite advanced. They have been competing in national, international levels. They have a lot of international players as well. And the coaching level, government support and all those things is much more there. Out here, okay, fine, the competition level, since in the state, like you get better players when you have more competition within the state. Okay, but out here we don't have that much of competition. So when we go outside, that is the problem, that it becomes a very big competition for us, because out here we play in a very small pool. Okay, but then when you go out to play in a regional level or a national level, it becomes difficult. So the competition is always tough.
Tagay nga shukwa tang banong tagay ka sorkar long ka baka kamde ban pet shiliang ken ka sports ka de ya barok hay te long wat ni ka ni ka bodybuilding ru ting kini ka government jungi kam da nom no kam da yarap naliang jungki kim ju yarap hiru kim ju dan hi kata ban kentio yangi kentei lene especially yangi kentei long shinrang te ho ki dan ki ba ki ka sarkari o ka yarap ngam dan idea hendrai nga kwam ta ka sarkar long dakala ba kan kentio yangi kentei ru te ki kentei ru ki la ban mi ne yin bakin le ken ban represent ya ka state la jong da ka sarkar ka merap namar ka bodybuilding kam de ka nong kum no ka khambon jinglot ha ka bam ka bon ha ka jinglot ken hendrai ngi ong lada ka sarkar bre kala banyerap ingi thindiat naliang jong na ka sarkar tingi ru ngi la ken bangin mta ken bangin nom no ban kiyo sho sha jong ken te ki we ken thelu lada ki I ba ka o ka sarkar ka yarap tingi ru ngi kloy bangin lek ken ti mentana yeng beduk besuk te lada ki kwaru kinumla ban afford kadi kata ken tala ka sarkar ka yarap tingi ru ngi la ken ben le bangin kiyo ken.
Everybody, like it's like exam, okay, fine, you don't prepare to fail, you always prepare to pass. Yes, right. So as a player, that's what we are doing. We are giving our 100%, and rest, like if suppose there are 10 people coming out there to play, okay, fine, everybody is coming to win only, everybody is giving their 100%. So on that given day, who looks the best will win. So we have some expectations, but then like we don't want to sound very arrogant that okay, fine, we are going to bring this or bring that. We might end up with some kind of achievement. Especially Susie, she has a good chance that because women's physique is a field which is like, there are many fields, okay, fine, within this sports itself. Like bodybuilding also has digressed into so many parts. Like before we had only bodybuilding, then we started having classic bodybuilding, then physique competitions and all those things. So in female competition also, female bodybuilding or female physique competitions are not very popular. It's very few. Like she said, that very few females are, like most females are scared of becoming manly and having lots of muscles. So she has a better scope because she is good and she has been training quite well, and she has that standard to compete at higher level, national level, and she has already played international levels, Asia, South Pacific Asia, which was held in Bangalore, and she came runner-up out there. So she has competed at higher level, and she has a better scope. I think you can expect something from her. Sure, I would love to do something for my state because born and brought up out here. I am the third generation out here, so basically I want to do something. Everybody wants to do something for the state, so I want to do something for the state.